Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast mixture. You'll need large eggs, your preferred milk, and a sweetener like sugar or maple syrup. A shallow dish is ideal for dipping your bread evenly and thoroughly. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best blend and smooth consistency. Now let's get mixing. Crack your eggs into the dish and whisk them well until the yolks and whites are fully combined and frothy. Slowly pour in your milk, aiming for about 1/4 cup for each egg you used. Then, stir in your chosen sweetener and a small pinch of salt to enhance all the delicious flavors. To truly elevate your French toast, consider adding some extra flavors and aromas. A dash of vanilla extract brings a wonderful warmth and depth. For a classic taste, sprinkle in some ground cinnamon or nutmeg. If you're feeling adventurous, a small splash of orange zest can add a bright, citrusy note to your mixture, making it truly special. The ideal mixture should be smooth and free of lumps. If it seems too thick, add a tiny bit more milk until it reaches your desired consistency. This ensures your bread absorbs the batter perfectly. If you have any leftover mixture, cover it tightly and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.